Here comes the 4-stick version of the dog. Prepare for sticks. First, take 2 sticks and twist the tail together. Leave about 14 centimeters. 2 sticks circle 3 times on 3 fingers at the same time. The long stick and the short stick are crossed and tightened. 2 long sticks go through these 6 circles to make the ears of the dog. Leave 2 fingers wide. Twist it down. 2 long sticks go around from the left. Go through these 6 circles to make the ears of the dog. Leave 2 fingers wide. Twist it down. Open the tail of the long stick. Take 2 sticks and open the tail. Cross it and twist it together. The first 2 circles of the face are flattened. The long stick goes around from the back. Go through the following 4 circles. Tighten. Do the same thing twice. The long stick and the short stick are crossed and tightened. The 4 circles of the face. LWE exchange the 2 circles below and the 2 circles above. Exchange the position with the nostrils. Adjust the bone with your hand. Use the long stick to make for legs of the dog. First, make the front leg. Then make the back leg. The rest of the body goes around the body of the dog. Be sure to tighten it when you go around. Tighten the 4 legs of the dog. Twist it in the opposite direction from left to right. Straighten the dog. Raise the tail. Put the 4 legs down. Raise the head. Straighten the 4 limbs and the body of the dog. Let it stand up. Next is to pick the hair. Use a hole puncher, a comb, or a brush. Brush out all the hair in the body of the dog. A dog is done. Start to trim the hair. First, trim the position of the nose and eyes. Trim the nose and mouth to make it rounder. Trim the outline of the 2 ears. Trim the messy hair on the head to make it round and neat. Trim the details of the ears to make it rounder. Brush the hair on the nose and mouth outwards. Cut a little shorter with scissors. When trimming, you can cut a little higher in the middle and a little lower on both sides. It has a curve. Simply trim the 4 legs and body hair. Just trim the messy hair. Trim the nose. Trim the hair on the nose a little shorter. Put the nose on the dog. Use a hole puncher to position the eyes. Put the eyes on the dog. Trim the mouth of the dog with scissors. Put the tongue on the dog. Put on a cute accessory. The cute dog is done.